Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I am so glad to have you here for today's video. I randomly got a lot of PR packages in this week, and so I thought it'd be so fun to sit down and open them with you guys here on my channel. Like all my videos, I'll be sure to link everything that I can down below in the description box. A lot of these are reoccurring brands that have either launched something new, or there's a couple new brands in here that I have yet to try out for myself. So I am so excited to get into this because I really don't know much of what's in here except for one handbag. So that gave it away. Spoiler alert, there is a handbag here in this pile of boxes that I am so excited to see in person. So let's go ahead and open everything up. So I'm gonna actually start with this first one here. This is from Pixie Beauty. You guys know, I think they've been in like quite a few unboxings because they send out a lot of PR packages. But I started working with Pixie, I think like last fall. And what's really funny is that my very first Zoom digital event was actually with Pixie Beauty. And it was really interesting like joining a kind of like Skype call instead of going to an actual event. They were supposed to come into Nashville for the first time, and I was gonna meet the PR person and like their social media team when they visited Nashville, but because obviously with everything going on, they canceled that trip to Nashville, and so I got to meet all of the team members from Pixie through a Zoom chat. So that was really interesting, and honestly it was actually really nice to do that because I've talked about this before, but I have really bad social anxiety when it comes to like events or big groups of people that I've never met before, and so events kind of would always really stress me out. But it was actually really nice to sit down and talk with a brand just super low-key, just on my couch through video call. But inside of the box is a fanny pack from Pixie. So this is a clear fanny pack, which I feel like would honestly be perfect for concerts. Not that there are any concerts going on right now, but when I went to Ariana Grande last year, you were only allowed to wear clear bags into the arena. And so I feel like this would be actually like the perfect clear bag because it's a fanny pack, or you could wear it as like a little crossbody, because who's wearing fanny packs as fanny packs? I feel like all of the trendy bloggers are wearing them as crossbodies. I think it's kind of cute. I'm kind of into it. So they sent this tiny little fanny pack, and then inside of the fanny pack are some products. The first thing are some makeup wipes. These are their makeup melting cleansing cloths, and this is like a tiny little pack, which is actually perfect on the go. I feel like those big packs of makeup wipes can take up a lot of space. Also in the bag, there is an H2O skin drink hydration gel. So I think this is like a serum, maybe like a small serum, and then a lip gloss. This is a like fuchsia color, so that's kind of bright. I don't know if I'll get a lot of wear out of that. It's pretty bright. There is a makeup palette, which is definitely bold. It's pretty, very, very glittery. So that is what Pixie sent over. Now we're gonna get into a different one. So let's try this, because I actually don't know who this is from. This is SAS Broadway in New York. So this must be like a PR company, because I'm not sure who this is from. But it was sent to my P.O. box, so it must be some sort of branded thing. It says Dainty Little Things, and this is from Stone and Strand. There's a personalized card in here, which is always so sweet when they write out a card. And inside of this box, look at this. It's like holographic. Is it holographic? I think that's the word for it. This is the packaging for Stone and Strand. Inside of the bag is a jewelry box. Love this color. Oh, so cute. I totally forgot that they emailed about me doing this. So this is a Pearl J for Jason, and they actually asked me what letter I wanted, but I sent this over to them a very, very long time ago. So I actually forgot that they were gonna send this over, but this is so, so pretty. Can you guys see the detail in it? It's gorgeous. I'm gonna have to add it to my stack of necklaces. It's so dainty. It's like almost like a choker. I can't believe I got that first try on the actual clasp. That is a miracle all in itself. It's so hard putting on a necklace but you can't see. Oh, that's so gorgeous. Look at that. Look how dainty and beautiful this is. I am so obsessed with this. I love it with my other pearl as well. Love the J. Next thing is from Supergoop, and Supergoop is probably one of my favorite brands because they are a sunscreen brand, and guys, I have been wearing sunscreen religiously this summer. I wasn't really great about wearing sunscreen last year, but for some reason something clicked this year, and I have been putting it on every single day and in the mornings, like before we work out or we run. This is the inside of the box. It says, but first sunscreen, which is true. You should be wearing sunscreen every single day, whether it's raining or it's sunny outside. Put your sunscreen on. I promise your skin will thank you way, way, way down the road. inside the box. It says, wear sunscreen. Like I just said, they have like the cutest branding. I'm just throwing this all on the ground. I'll pick it up later. Another clear pouch. Guys, I feel like clear pouches are so in right now. They must be the trendiest thing ever because they sent over a clear pouch and Pixie sent over a clear pouch. But honestly, this is great for just taking skincare with me when I travel. The first thing is an SPF 50 everyday lotion, which is amazing because SPF 50 is really, really good. You should probably wear over, I think it's like what, SPF 30 or SPF 35. And then the other thing in the bag is the Unseen sunscreen. And this is their clear formula. So this one is like a true sunscreen where it has like the white cast, even though you blend it in the skin, it doesn't really matter. This one almost works kind of like a primer and it's clear. Both are really, really great. I would suggest using this if you're just outside for like an extended amount of time. This is great as like an everyday underneath makeup sunscreen. You can wear this under makeup, but I tend to wear their like 50 SPF whenever I'm like running outside. So really happy to have some restocks of sunscreen because I seriously go through sunscreen so quickly because I'm wearing it every single day. The next thing is from a new brand. This is from PF Candle Co. And I've never gotten anything from them before, so I'm excited to see what's in this box. Ooh, okay. Branding is so pretty. Look at this little card in the box. I am so here for this card. PF Candle Co. is a Los Angeles-based fragrance company. So, there's two things in the box. The first thing is this, and there is no branding or anything on this box, so I don't know what's actually in here. I do like their packaging. Ooh, it's like one of those reed diffusers. I've actually never had one of these, but these are the reeds, little reeds right here. And then in the bottom is a actual like oil, I think. So this one is called Moonrise. This is their reed diffuser. This is made in the US with fragrance oil. Their branding is so my vibe. Oil, reeds. Oh, this branding, guys, how cool is this? This branding is, wow. You guys know I'm a sucker for branding. That's like the way to my heart is good packaging. I went to school for design, so I've always been into design and things that are well designed and intentionally designed, and this is seriously so nice. This one is jasmine and smoked cedar wood. Oh my gosh, Jason's gonna love this. He loves anything like smoked. Ooh. Oh, that smells so good. I have a feeling that Jason's probably gonna steal this from me, so I need to hide this from him. I'm obsessed with this. I'm gonna start using that ASAP. The next thing is a Swell Soy Candle. So this is the packaging for this guy. Love these earth tones. Guys, this brand is winning me over. Look at this candle. So this one is Swell. This is blackcurrant, tuberose, and sea moss. Ooh, that smells so good. I honestly have never really smelled a candle that smells like this, so I'm having a hard time like describing what it compares to because I've never really smelled this before. But I love that. It feels really unique. I feel like a lot of candles kind of all smell the same, but this one actually smells like nothing I've ever smelled before. So this and this, guys, well done. So well done. Everything about this brand, so nice. And it actually smells really good. Like, it's a good product, but it will look amazing out on a coffee table. So very happy with that. The next thing is from my dream brand. This has been one of my dream brands for a while. This is from Drunk Elephant. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you saw that they sent over their like starter pack for their influencers, and it shook my world. They sent over like so many great products to try out. How fun are these boxes? Their packaging, to me, it's like something that I would never choose for myself. Like, I would never ever design something like this. I would probably design something like that candle company, very muted. When you open this up and this arrives, I mean, it just makes me so happy. I don't know, something about the neon colors. It just feels very different than any other brand that I've ever gotten anything from. So I just love opening up their products. So inside of the box, looks like there's a couple new things, and then this like little pouch. I don't know what that is. So it looks like in the box there is an Erase Milky Micellar Water. Ooh, a micellar water? I think I actually saw on Instagram that they launched this because I follow them on Instagram. But I am just a sucker for their packaging. I think it makes it so fun to use. So this is a micellar water, and I wonder if it has a fragrance. No, no fragrance, and it honestly looks like it's kind of like a milky consistency. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly, but actually, of course it has a milky consistency. It literally says milky micellar water. So there it is. Drunk Elephant. They have been on my top list of brands that I've just wanted to get my hands on a product, and every time I would go into Sephora, I would see the entire like Drunk Elephant collection, and I was like, that brand is a little bit pricey, but it is a brand that I feel like would be so worth trying and sharing with y'all. So I will keep you guys updated on my Instagram. That's where I do a lot of my like updates on products that I'm using or trying out. I'm also going to be filming a product empty very soon, so I don't know if that will be out by the time this video comes out, but I wanted to share my thoughts on a lot of beauty products that I have gone through all the way. So follow me on Instagram at @bychloewynn for just daily updates on products that I'm loving or just things that I'm doing in my life, and be sure to check out the empties video whenever I get that up. Also in the box is their Virgin Marula Luxury Facial Oil. I'm so excited for their skincare. Their skincare makes me really happy. I mean, look at these fun colors. And then I don't know what this is, but this also came in the box. It's like a little bag. Is it for skincare? Oh, wait, that's so fun. Inside of here are cotton pads for your micellar water. That's just like a fun little packaging thing. And then the last thing is the bag. Of course, I had to save it for last because it's the big ticket item. But this one is from Angela Roy, and I have gotten some of their bags before. But this is one of their newest launches, and they asked me to share it with y'all. I believe Angela Roy is based out of New York, if I can remember correctly. Yeah, so they're based out of New York, and I've worked with them before. I love their bags. They are like a vegan leather, so they're plastic, but they're really good quality and they don't feel like plastic, and that's why I really like their bags. So in the box, there is a dust bag, says Angela Roy. Also, their branding is super nice, very like high-end feeling. And inside of the dust bag, this is the bag that I picked out. So they just released their minis collection, which I thought were so stinking adorable. So this is the one that I picked out, and this one is a little top handle bag. Look how cute this is. They have this bag in a medium size and a tote size. So this is like the mini version, and this one is called the Share Micro. Okay, so actually there's a mini version. This is the micro version. I got that incorrect, but I'll be sure to link the correct bag down below. This is the micro version. So this is the tiniest version of this bag, of this style. I thought this little tiny bag was super cute, and I don't really have any like kind of tote bag styled bags. So this bag is a brown interior, and it has a zipper pocket down the middle. I just love how classic this bag feels, and because I am like a very petite person, smaller handbags look more proportionate on somebody who is small like me, 5'2". So I just thought this would be so cute as a little crossbody, and then you can also wear it on your arm like this. So it has a very like pebbly texture, and like I said, this is not leather, but it does not feel cheap like a Target bag. It feels like really great quality. And then it also comes with a strap, which I am going to be utilizing, and I'm going to go ahead and just put this on like the shortest setting. And then this just hooks onto the bag, and then that way you can carry it as a crossbody. So cute. I love this. And I think the black just looks so classic. You could wear this into the fall and winter, and there's really nothing more like classy than a sleek black handbag. So excited to style this up and carry it. But that is everything for this unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed joining me while I opened up some packages. If you like these types of videos, give it a big thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. If you're new here on my channel and you'd like to stick around for some more videos, some more unboxing, some more try on hauls, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you back for some more videos, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys!